Today, we'll be giving you a walkthrough of our data visualization dashboard. Once you arrive on dataplatform.openrestitution.africa, select the menu on your right and click Data Dashboard. Our data visualization dashboard presents you with a series of multiple visualizations, which each paint a specific picture of how restitution is taking place. Collectively, they tell a story of what motivates Africans to embark on restitution processes and the dynamics in which this work is undertaken across the continent. Each graph features an interactive data visualization and comes with a title card and a tooltip to help you understand what the graph is and what it seeks to communicate. At the top of the page, you will see a filter option that allows you to select the case study whose insights you would like to see. By default, all case studies are selected, and the insights presented when the page loads constitute the insights from across our 25 case studies. That is our entire case study dataset. However, if you wish to view data on one case study, you can filter by project name, click on the filter section, and I will select, in this case, Confronting Colonial Pasts. The visualizations will then change to match specific insights from the case study you have selected. Alternatively, you may wish to combine 2, 3, or a chosen number of case studies. Selecting more than one allows you to compare and to view data across the specific case studies that you have selected. For the purposes of this demo, I will be viewing the visualizations across all 25 case studies, not just these 3. So I'll deselect that and refresh our page. And now we are going to be seeing the data across all 25 case studies. Let's begin. We'll go through each of the visualizations one by one. Our first visualization displays what outcomes Africans seek from restitution processes. Different communities embark on restitution for different reasons. This graph shows some of the main reasons driving restitution work. That includes return, repatriation as some of the dominant drivers. We also see things like ownership rights, access to content, reparations as being the outcomes that different individuals, communities, and states are seeking within restitution processes. Our second visualization showcases the multiple value systems that drive how and why Africans engage in restitution. Restitution, we have found strongly through our data, is not just about return and physical ownership. It carries with it cultural, spiritual, educational, intellectual, ritual, economic, and even national reasons, all which inform restitution strategies and processes in various ways. Our third visualization is a timeline visualization that shows the period between a human ancestor or cultural belonging being taken from the continent and the time it takes for contact breakthrough or return to happen. Select a specific case study and follow its timeline by clicking on the line and observing the dates at which human ancestor or cultural belongings were taken, the period at which it took for contact breakthrough to happen, when returns happened, if they have happened, and ongoing restitution activities. You will note that each of our timeline ends with restitution integration activities, showing that all restitution processes continue to this day through ongoing local negotiation and integration within communities. The fourth visualization addresses the complex contextual dynamics that Africans are facing when doing restitution work. Political, economic, environmental, social, and technological reasons all shape how Africans engage in restitution processes and contribute to the external complex pressures that determine how restitution processes go. Hover over each of the categories to understand the specific dynamics within let's say technological processes, economic factors, environmental factors. Each of them lists the specific dynamics that are affecting Africans in restitution processes. Our fifth graph visualizes the resources that Africans are applying in restitution work. Knowing that restitution is complex work that is shaped by multiple external factors, as we have seen in the previous graph, we wanted to understand what resources Africans are applying to navigate these various dynamics. In a landscape that is shaped by persistent financial challenges, this fifth graph shows that most restitution work on the continent is driven by African time and expertise, where financial resources are scarce. Physical, educational, and intellectual resources are also significant contributing factors to African restitution work. Our final graph is a network diagram that brings to life the various connections and people working in restitution cases. In this graph, we wanted to make visible the ways in which restitution work depends heavily on a network of multiple stakeholders across different sectors working together to drive restitution forward. This graph maps and names specific individuals where known and how they are connected to different cases. Selecting a specific case allows you to see the individuals who are involved in that particular case study. Our data visualization dashboard offers you the opportunity to generate various quantitative insights from our case study dataset. Use it in combination with our other platform tools to understand the broader scope of open restitution's case study, process, and research across the African continent. We hope you enjoy using these tools. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Thank you.